देवियार सज्जनों नमस्कार। इनफाइनाइट स्प्लेंडर की यूट्यूब की एक और उड़ान में आप सभी का स्वागत है। तो आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक और मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल और एक बहुत ही बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट। ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल मैंने क्रिएट किया है इस साल के करवा चौथ के लिए। दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल but also a major life update and a huge announcement. So ever since I've been on Instagram, which is for the last 2 years or so, a lot of you have been asking me so many questions relating to the announcement that I'm about to make today. So if you want to know what it is, please keep watching till the end of this video because this is something very personal to me and I had to share it with you guys someday or the other. But now today is the day. This is my first ever Karwa Chauth look and this is kind of correlated to the announcement that I'm about to make, which is a small hint. I think most of you have guessed it already. If you have, then comment down below in the comment section right now, honestly. Like, be honest to yourself and be honest to me and write in the comment section below what is it that you are guessing. And then वीडियो पूरा देखने के बाद एंड में जब आप अनाउंसमेंट सुन लें उसके बाद आप मुझे बताइएगा कि क्या आपने सही गेस किया था या नहीं. Okay, so let's roll with the tutorial. So first off, I'm starting with my foundation. मैंने already अपने स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज और प्राइम कर लिया है. मैं अपने फाउंडेशन को एक डैम्प ब्यूटी स्पंज से लगा रही हूँ and I'm applying it everywhere on my eyelids, on my forehead, on my neck, like everywhere, wherever you'd use a foundation. Now I'm moving on to concealer and I'm using a cream-based foundation stick as my concealer. Now this is an exact skin tone match for me. So this is what I usually use and I don't use a separate concealer for it because this is a cream formula. It works amazingly for my skin tone. I'm using this to cover up my dark circles, any dark spots, any pigmentation, everything. And I've told you before that I love using cream products with my fingers because it really helps to melt the product down and blend very well into the skin. अब मैं अपने पूरे फेस को एक पाउडर से सेट कर रही हूँ. It's just a translucent powder. Now I'm moving on to my eyebrows. One of the most important things in makeup for me. So first I brushed my eyebrows with the help of a spoolie and now I'm just filling it in with this brown grey color shade which is very close to my hair color. So just filling in. यहाँ पे I know it's looking a little bit dark but we are going to tone it down. Don't worry about it. So अब मैं स्पूली से इसको ब्रश आउट कर रही हूँ जिससे ये थोड़ा सा टोन डाउन हो जाएगा और ज़्यादा इसको ब्लेंड करने के लिए मैं सेम ब्यूटी स्पंज से फ्रंट पार्ट इसका ब्लेंड इन कर रही हूँ. Now I'm moving on with eyeshadow. I'm using this brown shade as my transition shade. So I'm applying it on my crease and blending it right around the crease to create this smooth transition and creating this warm undertone for my eyeshadow to follow. And take your time in blending in your crease shade because this is very very important. इसके बाद आप कौन से shades lay down करेंगे वो बहुत हद तक इसी पे डिपेंड करेगा कि आपकी पहले ट्रांजिशन शेड की ब्लेंडिंग किस तरीके से हुई है. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, टेक योर ओन स्वीट टाइम एंड गेट यूज्ड टू डूइंग दिस बिकॉज आई शैडो इज़ ऑल अबाउट ब्लेंडिंग. Now I will be using this metallic foil eyeshadow which is a cream based eyeshadow and this is best applied with your fingertips. तो मैं अपने finger से इस product को लेके I'm just applying it all over my lid except the crease part of course. So this beautiful golden shade complements my yellow sari and the golden jewelry that I'm wearing in this look and I think it's so Indian and so festive that it just complements every skin tone and every outfit. Now for this beautiful contrast in our eye look, I'm using a black shade to create the outer V of this eye look and blending that in with the outer transition. And since we took our time in blending out our brown transition shade earlier, this is going to look so seamless. It just will not let you figure out where the black stops and where the brown starts. Okay, so that is why it was so important to blend the brown earlier and now I'm just blending both the shades together. Of course, intensifying that golden color a little bit more because black ने बहुत ज़्यादा space occupy कर ली थी. And now I'm taking a clean blending brush and just smudging the end of the transition that we created earlier. Now I'm taking this liquid eyeshadow glitter which my camera decided not to film, and even the eyeliner. Like, I have no idea why my camera didn't film this, but nevertheless it's the same routine what I usually do. And now I'm just contouring my face and adding a little bit of blush to this look. Although I had actually done it before, but then of course वो record हुआ नहीं तो मुझे दोबारा करना पड़ा. So contour, blush and highlighter के बाद, and of course eye look के बाद, you can see that this look has come together very well. And I absolutely love how it's turned out. I know I always say this, right? But that is the truth, guys. मैंने पहले से सोचा नहीं होता exactly कि मैं ये look करने वाली हूँ, but जब मैं करती रहती हूँ तो मुझे idea आता रहता है, and this is how it turned out. But आप लोगों को कैसा लगा ये look? I think मुझे अभी तक तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And I'm just adding a little bit more mascara because I can never neglect my lower lashes. So I'm just intensifying that a little bit more, and you can see why I do this. Moving on with my lipstick, I'm using this beautiful burgundy marsala color, which is again Karwa Chauth appropriate because mostly people सुहागने ही करवा चौथ मनाती हैं, तो they like that bridal red or a dark maroon burgundy kind of lip because I think it just gives you that सिंदूर एंड बिंदी के साथ सुहागन वाली जो complete feeling होती है. So that is why I chose a dark lipstick for this look. But if you're one of the nude lipstick people, you can very well go ahead and carry this with a nude look as well, with a nude lipstick as well, I meant. Here I'm just giving you a little close-up view of what the makeup is looking like, and just look at how simple it was to create. Now for one of my most favorite parts of an Indian makeup look, which is a bindi. Just see how this choti si bindi just completes the entire look and makes it so sweet looking. Like, I love a bindi. I absolutely love a bindi. But if you don't like bindis, then you can absolutely skip this and just wear the makeup even otherwise the way it was before. And now I'm going to give you 5024 beauty shots because duh, it's a makeup tutorial. So here I am, just completely feeling my makeup and myself and admiring how beautiful this turned out. So guys, this is the completed makeup look, and I know I have kept you guys waiting for this entire tutorial to announce this. Now this is something which is very personal, but as my life is not so personal anymore, I am on a social platform wherein I'm sharing a lot about my life. This is something which is so major. It's like a milestone in my life, so this had to be shared. And वैसे भी अभी थोड़े दिनों में आप लोगों को पता वैसे भी चल जाता. So I thought, why not make an official announcement video sharing this happiness of mine with each one of you. So I don't know how to start this conversation, how to put it across. Let's do it this way. So you can see that I have created this Karwa Chauth look. I am not celebrating Karwa Chauth because I'm not married. But from next year onwards, this is not going to be my Karwa Chauth look. I will be having Sindoor and Mangal Sutra. Yes, you heard me right. I am getting married. Not like that. Wait, hold on. Drum rolls. I am getting married! Oh my god! Your girl is getting married, guys. December में मेरी शादी है, मतलब अगले महीने मेरी शादी है. Can you guys even believe it? It's like just एक महीना दूर. मुझे इतनी जोर से धक धक हो रही है, guys. Oh my god. So yes, I'm getting married. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. And I know that so many of you would want to know my love story or whatever, my marriage story. Who am I getting married to? You would like to meet him, you would like to know about him, you would like to know about my wedding, you would like to know so many things, right? So yes, the purpose of me making this announcement in today's video is that इसके बाद मैं आपके साथ बहुत सारे शादी से रिलेटेड शॉपिंग XYZ व्लॉग्स सब शेयर करने वाली हूँ. शादी का पूरा प्रोसेस मैं वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी. और डोंट फॉरगेट टू जॉइन मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, बिकॉज इंस्टाग्राम पे और भी बहुत सारे अपडेट्स आने वाले हैं. दिस गोना बी अ लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स एंड आई विल बी डूइंग अ हस्बैंड टैग वीडियो एज वेल, वेरिन मैं अपने होने वाले पति को आप लोगों से मिलवाऊंगी, मेरे इन लॉज को सबको अपने वीडियोज़ में लाऊंगी. सो I am so excited and this is a humongous news, but you guys are family now and you all deserve to know everything about me. So I know people have been asking me like since time immemorial, who is your boyfriend, are you dating someone or not? So now you finally know. I was not having a boyfriend or anything. Now I'm getting married directly. So next month is Sadavya. So just stay tuned for it. Also, this makeup look can be worn as a wedding guest if you are going to somebody's wedding, because ये शादी का season है. And more or less मैं अपनी शादी का makeup खुद ही करूँगी. So let's see how it goes. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you guys are equally happy for me that I'm getting married. I don't know, I actually don't know how to respond or react, but I would love to hear from you guys. I would love to chat with you guys. So talk to me in the comment section. Do let me know what you think. I am super excited. I'm super happy. And if you guys like this video and you all want to see more of such videos and a lot more about my shadi and vlogs, and you all want to meet my pati and all of that, then give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel अगर आपने already नहीं किया है तो, and do not forget to hit the bell notification button right next to the subscribe button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye bye, take care of yourselves, happy Karwa Chauth, happy Diwali in advance, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Mwah.